Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today, let's see, this video is going to go up on Sunday, but today is still the 13th of January right now on Saturday, so this video will be going up at 3 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. So just putting it out there ahead of time. So we have been working on wood. Now the wood was, and we're going to walk around so you'll be able to see everything. But we've cleared out, we've been working, we got all this area through here past the stump. There was wood all through there, so we got all of this cleared out. Working on the back side here, still got quite a bit of wood to stack up yet. This wood here was already on a pallet, so obviously that's going to stay there. And so what we have done over here, we have extended this, and I'm going to walk on the other side of here and I'll show you. So these are going to be the walls. This is going to be the back side, so we're going to have more pallets here once we've filled everything up. And we're going to have the walls on the back side. We will have tin on the top of everything and tin on this back side. So we doubled up our pallets, and you can see here, so this will end up being the front side where you're going to get the wood from, and this will all be covered. And then this way we're going to be in better shape. So 2 pallets deep. We have a pallet here for support. There's a pallet over there, so for the support for the center. So we'll run a board over the top of this, and then what we'll do is we'll screw that board, or screw the metal into that board, and that board will be screwed into these sections here. And so we got a bunch of crap right now that is burning and smoking that you can see there, and we've had this going for quite a while now, and so it's been quite the process, to be honest with you. Come around on this side here. The smoke keeps moving all over the place. So, but you can see we just added some more bark and crap onto here, and so we're just getting that burned off, and that's just all scrap garbage that we're not going to utilize. And so yeah, so but you know, it is definitely coming along, and you know, it's these wood sheds here, if you can tell, that's too deep. That's too deep here. The last time when Jimmy was down, he had extended this out. I mean, we got a lot of wood here, guys. A lot of wood. Got a lot of wood still on the backside that has to be stacked, and we're just going to, you know, work on this methodically and get it done. But if I come around the back of here, and like all this has got to get cleaned up as well yet, and that's going to happen. This pallet here is all hardwoods, so that's why that sits out where it's sitting. And what I'm going to do, and like I said, we got all this. This has got to get stacked yet. And so I'm going to kick around. See, these ones are shorter, and that's because that'll go into the different wood stoves. That longer pieces, a lot of the longer pieces are, and that's shorter pieces over in this area here as well. And those are shorter. That's more of the hardwoods. The pine, for the most part, is going to get burned in the fire pit. Now, we're thinking here down the road that because of all this wood being right through this area, a little smoky, huh? With all the wood being through here, we may bring the fire pit down and redig another fire pit out here somewhere away. And then that way, when we want to sit out here and sit around the fire, you know, we would do it out here someplace. Because, like I said, there's wood everywhere. And we're not going to get any more wood in until all of this has been stacked, stored away, put away. So, like I said, we're working on coming around the back side here now. So we're hitting this area. We're going to pull these tarps off. Again, this will get re-tarped when we're done with everything. And so The sun is out right at the moment. It's been pretty overcast and cloudy for most of the day, but you can hear the generator running. I am charging my batteries at the moment. They were down, you guys saw in the other video, they were down 80%. But our high temperature today here at the Homestead is not going to get above 29 degrees, I believe. So, you know, it's just, it's not fun to work in this kind of weather. 100% honest with you, it's not. But things still have to get done. And while we have, you know, everybody here, you know, we're going to work on getting this. And this looks so much neater through here, just this area. If you guys remember in previous videos, I mean, the wood was all the way out throughout this whole area. And so, yeah. But like all this wood here on these pallets, that'll be bonfire wood as well. And so we all enjoy a nice bonfire, which is nice. And the wood that we're stacking here, that's all bonfire wood. The smaller pieces are the wood we'll utilize for the wood stoves and those type of things. And again, like I said, we will process more wood as we go, but we're trying to get this squared away right now. So I'll give you an idea, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pallets, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then a half pallet. So there's 12 pallets there so far. There'll be pallets along the back side here, so we'll utilize at least 3 more pallets back there. And you know, like I said, then we're going to get some boards over the top and get sheet metal on there and get everything kind of locked in. So that is the game plan. But we're probably going to work until we get this fully stacked up, and it's not going to be all the wood as far as that goes. So we're going to have to figure out, are we going to put more pallets here? And that's what I think we're probably going to do. We're going to fill this, get that all sealed up and covered and protected. Then we'll probably end up putting in, we'll probably not there because we're going to be back here. So we may throw pallets back here so that we can just feed in to right there. I think that's going to be the game plan. So once we get that filled up, which won't take that much longer, we're going to just start back here. And so we'll just extend it that way and then do pallets all along the back side of here and just keep on rocking on. So yeah, so that's where we're at today, you know, getting things done. A couple of guys have gone to get supplies for their buildings. I know Dave was getting stuff for his, Bud was getting stuff for his. I know that we'll talk about the different things that are going on. I know Johnson was having some stuff done with his building as well. So we will do some update videos on buildings, and those will be coming up. That might be tomorrow. Like I said, we're going to still try to get some more work done today, and we're going to go from there. So anyway, guys, I am going to jump off of here for now. This was important to get done, to get cleaned up, because it was looking messy, it was looking sloppy. So trying to get things organized and squared away. And like I said, again, eventually every building will have its own woodshed, so that, you know, whoever's in there can just come out and get the wood for their fireplace. I know Dave is going to have a fire. Obviously, every building, realistically, is going to have a wood stove. So it's a matter of time before that all is accomplished, and we will get there with that as well. So anyway, remember, folks, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we figure that one out, we're going to be in much, much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every single day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one stopping you from achieving your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. I hope you all are having a great day. Be safe, keep prepping, take care of your business, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.